Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So here I have my Daz Laloni hair grease. So this product is made of 100% Laloni with other ingredients as well, like petroleum jelly and oil. So I'm just going to add 1 spoon of that. You can use any quantity of your choice, depend on how long you want to use it. So here I have the Palman coconut oil hair grease. This one also made with coconut oil plus other ingredients as well, like oil and other ingredients. So here I'm going to add 1 spoon as well. So you can also add as much as you want. So here I have my DIY hair grease that I made myself. So I've been using this on my hair now, guys. You see my hair right now, my hair is super long, so I'm so happy right now. So I'm going to add that to it as well. So the video on how I make that hair grease is already on my channel. I will just leave it at the description box below. So yeah, I have one of my favorite oil, which is rice oil, guys. I love this rice oil a lot, so I'm going to add 1 spoon. So the next oil is avocado oil. So guys, this product is for dry hair. If you have a very dry hair, like no matter what you do, you can never stay moisturized, this product right here is for you. So I just add 1 spoon of castor oil. Then I'm just going to mix everything together like so. This oil can penetrate your hair shaft, keep it moisturized for a very long time. If you wish, you can use alongside with any moisturizing leave-in conditioner or a lotion that you know that is really good to moisturize your hair. So I'm just going to be using mine with just water only. Then I will also show you how I'm going to be mixing my water to use it to condition my dry hair. So after mixing everything like this together, as you can see, I'm just going to set it aside. Here I have my spray bottle water inside. So here I have my MSM powder. So this powder is really so good to grow your hair. If you are trying to grow out your hair, this powder is really so amazing. It's going to help you a lot. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that inside my water, so like just like so. So the next thing, I'm just going to add my glycerin. You guys know that glycerin helps to keep your hair moisturized as well. That is just the only 2 things I add inside my water. If you wish, you can add oils to it. The reason why I did not add oil, because I'm going to be using this with my hair grease that I mixed earlier, so I don't want to add oil inside the water. Then I just shake it together just like so. As you can see, my product is ready, guys. I will just use this hair grease to on my hair. Then I will just first of all use the water, guys. Spread the water on my hair to moisturize it. This water is going to serve as a leave-in conditioner, while the hair grease is going to serve as a sealer. Thank